In this video, I'll be showing you how to trim your audio as well as how to use fade in Reaper. To get started, we'll need a little bit of audio to work with. So I'll just talk for a second, get it started. All right, so if you drag the cursor over the beginning or the end, you'll notice that the cursor changes. So right here, it's like a little half a square. Dragging this will either trim or it'll extend, in which case it'll just copy whatever you've recorded. So right there, it's just going to play twice, 3 times. You get the point. You'll notice that it snaps to the next line in the time signature. If you'd like to be more precise, you can hold Shift and it'll follow your cursor exactly. So if you'd like a little bit more control, so say we just don't want that, and then you let go and you're good. Make sure you don't have multiple files selected, because if you try and edit, it'll edit both files at the same time or as many files as you have selected. So you want to make sure you just have one. So fade works in a similar way, except instead of going here to the middle, you're going to go all the way up to the top, and then see how it's a quarter circle now? You're going to click and you just drag. And that's how you apply fade. You can also right click up here and you can change the fade pattern. So depending on what you select, it's going to change the way that you fade in or out. Fading in and fading out works exactly the same, so you just go in. So now we're fading in and we're fading out. And we have 2 different patterns going on. That's it for this video. If there's something you'd like covered, just leave a comment and I will do my best to cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching.